How to clear Reels history on Facebook. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to clear down your Reels history on Facebook but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Facebook application on your mobile device, and after you find the very Facebook application, you have to tap on that. Now, after you find the Facebook application like this, now you have to go to the I option there. After you move to the I option, you can see an interface like this. At first, you have to go to the option of notifications. After tapping on notifications, you have to allow the notifications, and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, and photos and videos. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links, and then go back again and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, you can see an interface like this. Now you can go to the option of clear down the cache, and after you go to the option of clear down the cache, now you can go back once again and then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, now you can see an interface like this. Either you can send the very search to the email out there. Otherwise, what you can do is now you can go to the very Google Play Store on your very mobile device. And after finding the very Google Play Store on your very mobile device, what you can do is in the very Google Play Store, you have to search the very Facebook application there. And after you tap on the Facebook application, you can see an interface like this, and you can also update it. And after you update it, your very problem may be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.